Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you this new 3D puzzle kit that I got. So I've been lately wanting to put like the 3D puzzles that are like flowers and vases and things like that. And so this one is a light orange Gerbera Daisy. And so you can see it here. It is the flower and the vase together. This thing is so cool, y'all. So first of all the pieces come in this beautiful little packaging. So this would actually make a really great gift idea for someone. And so you have, so this is kind of like a light cardboard material. So not heavy duty cardboard, but light, and you can bend it. So you're going to pop out all the pieces. This one is a little more sturdy material. You can see it's double-sided here. This is going to be for the actual flowers. And then there's two more. These are the more heavier duty pieces as well. And then it comes with really detailed instructions for putting the puzzle together. I went through them. They're very easy to understand. Nothing seems confusing. So overall, I think this thing is going to look really beautiful. I'll make another video after I get it put together. But I think this would make a really great gift idea for someone. Your mom, your Bible study group, just a friend in the office, something like that. And then they can set it up on the shelf and add some decor to their space. So overall, great choice. I would definitely check it out.